Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to use Clearence. The clearance works only if you are on your side of the pitch and you have the ball. To use it, firstly you have to take the ball from your opponent and then press circle button. Thanks to this, your player will kick the ball out as far as possible from the goal. So take the ball from your opponent and then simply press circle button. Oh my god, it shouldn't be that hard. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.